All right. So good afternoon. Hello. Can you guys hear me?
Good afternoon, sir.
Okay, good afternoon. All right. So time check. It's already 3:34. So one more minute. So let's wait. One more minute for the others. So there were a total of 30 or 29 students in this subject, and there were only 11. Or to make it exact, there were only 10. Yes. So I don't know. Seems like the others haven't visited this uh, course yet. Because as you guys can see, the total activity of the others are blank. That only means that they haven't visited the subject yet. So I don't know, maybe their canvas is not yet updated. But yeah. Anyway, so they'll be able to see this one anyway since this is recorded. So again, so I'll be your instructor in this subject. So I handle both section, the lecture and lab. Okay, so I know that you guys already know what you guys can see on the homepage, what you guys can see on the syllabus and on the modules. But let's just have a short walkthrough. Okay, again. So this is where you will see the description, okay, on what is the subject all about, and then the course delivery. Of course, it's on ODL or online distance learning, and then for the course overview. So we have four. Okay, so I will leave the reading part to you guys, and then the next thing that you would like to check maybe is the syllabus. So as usual, okay, so for the first 3 weeks, so this will be the laboratories that you guys are going to do. And then for the week 4 to week 6, so this will be for the finals. And you guys already know how we compute your grade. So this is how we compute your midterm score, tentative final score, and then your final score. Okay. And then the same as usual. So we have passing score of 60% in everything. So you must at least get 60% in everything. Okay. In order for you to be able to pass this subject. Okay. So any clarification so far? Or anyone who has a concern? Hello, hello. Are you guys still around?
Wala po, sir.
So there is a question right here from Mr. Alexis. Sir, may exam ba sa lab? Yes, there is an exam in lab. Okay. So both of them are two separate, completely separate subjects. Okay. So even though you have a low score in lecture, it will not affect your score in laboratory. Vice versa. Okay. All right. So I hope you guys have already seen this one. And intro to Altis So again, just in case that you forgot how to use Altis 17, so this is the recorded video wherein I've recorded this one 2020 last year. So yeah, you guys will know the basics in here, just in case you forgot how to use the Altis 17. Okay, and then this is where you can see the hotkeys or commands, shortcut keys. Okay. And then this is a short guideline on how to start using LD Spice 17. Right. So for this week, okay, the due date of your lab number 1 and 2. So yes, it's combined lab number 1 and 2. So you guys have exactly 1 week to finish this laboratory. So the same with your case study. So the due date will be on September 11th. Okay. So yeah, I know this is super easy. You can do this one in just 1 hour, maybe less than an hour. So yeah, the one thing that you guys might need to check is the overview. So here's where you can see the topic learning outcomes and then the list of topics that you will see on this learning. Oops, where is the right here? Learning materials, which is the instruction on how to do the lab number 1 and number 2. Okay, and then this is where you will see the recorded video, or this is where you will see the additional information on how to, do the love number 1 and 2, and then what is easy analysis all about. Okay. And yeah, that's pretty much it actually. So this will be just a short meeting, 10 to 15 minutes only. And again, as usual, this will be our first and last meeting, okay, Zoom meeting for this subject, since this is a laboratory. So all of the discussion will be done on the lecture. And if ever that you have a question in here, so you can message me anytime. So once I write it, and then I'll reply as soon as possible. So any concerns so far? Questions or clarification? Okay, so I think,
Sir,
yes,
hindi ko po ma-access yung .mp4 file ng LT-Spice, yung getting tutorial. Refuse to connect yung lumalabas lang po.
are you seeing the same with what I have in my screen right now? Kasi naka-block yata dito. Pero in here, yeah, just click this one, this link right here, this LT-Spice 17 getting tutorial.mp4, and then it will lead you to this YouTube link. Okay, so please try that one.
Thank you, sir. Gumana po.
Right. So what else? Or who else has a question? So let me ask you guys one by one before we say goodbye to each other. So Miss Jennifer Ann.
Sir, no question po.
Okay, Mr. Jenne Alexis, or how do you pronounce your name?
Jean Alexis, sir.
Jean Alexis. Okay.
Yes.
You have a question so far?
None, sir. None. Sir.
Okay, great. What about you, Mr. Rafael Macabio?
Wala pa po, sir. Or klaro naman po.
Okay. What about you, Mr. Christian Kenneth Torres?
Clear naman po, sir.
Okay. What about you, Mr. Eric Jan Muscate?
Wala naman po, sir.
How about you, Mr. Nathaniel Estalilla?
And sir.
And Mr. Cercis Bautista?
Sir, wala po.
Okay, great. Mr. Arius M. De Mayo?
None, sir.
Okay. How about you, Miss Grace Binarad?
No question, sir.
Okay, what about you, Mr. Carl Joshua Dayag?
Wala pa naman po, sir.
And then Mr. Aisel de la Cruz?
Wala po, sir.
Great. And then lastly, Mr. Jan Lem Esteban.
None, sir.
Great. So good to know that you guys are really listening, because most of you are just attending, and then after attending, mag-ML na, manonood ng YouTube or kung ano-ano man. So hindi na sumasagot. Like, yes, you are online, like you are here, or your name is here right now, but you're not physically present. Okay, so good to know, since this is our first and last meeting for this subject. Anyway, so if you guys don't have a question or clarification anymore for now, okay, so you guys may go and then just message me if you have a clarification. Okay, so goodbye and thank you guys for coming. Keep safe.
Bye, sir.
Bye, sir. Thank you.
Goodbye.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Sir, we message you through the portal inbox, diba? Kung may itatanong.
Yes.
Okay. Sige po. Thank you,
Pwede
sir.
lang sa messenger, basta umaga hanggang hapon, wag lang gabi.
Ay, sige po. Thank you, sir. Goodbye.
Goodbye.